you guys doing today? It's me. I look amazing. On today's channel today, right now I want to raise awareness for horsehair.
What's up, y'all? Today I'll be showing you guys how to sew your frontal onto your dome mesh cap. The frontal and the bundles will be from a company on Aliexpress called Modern Show Hair.
What is that?
Yes? That's the fence?
Yeah.
So this is me almost burning the whole house down. Okay, back to the video. Ignore my boyfriend's hand. He's just holding the hair for me because the mannequin head is so loose. But first you're going to get your frontal and put it onto your mesh cap with T-pins. You're going to pin it on there with T-pins, but make sure that the frontal is a little bit towards the front. Once you got your needle and thread ready, make sure you put your needle through the mesh cap first and then through your frontal. This is my little method of sewing in through the mesh cap, through the frontal. Other people do frontal through mesh cap, but that's not how I do it. I do it mesh cap through frontal. And make sure you space it really close together. Don't do wide spaces because your frontal can start having little clumps, if you know what I mean. I don't know why this always happens during my hair tutorial. So me finishing up the frontal, my clips deleted. If you guys comment down below, I will do a whole nother video of me sewing this frontal down, showing you guys the ending process and how to tie your needle and thread at the end. I wasn't going to put the bundles clips in, but since the clips deleted, I'll just put it in there. So for my tracks, I put my needle through both the wefts because I double weft, and then I put it into the mesh cap. For the first two pulls, I put it through the wefts. So this first time I put it through the weft, and the second time I go through, I'll put it through the weft again and then through the mesh cap. Right here, I put it under the weft, well, the track, and then I put it through the mesh cap, and then I wrap the thread. No, I didn't do it here, okay? Okay, here's what I do. I put the thread over the needle, and then I pull, so it makes this little loop. And it stuck to the track. It stuck to the track. That doesn't make sense. So here I'll be showing you guys a few times of me doing that method. And you guys hear me messing up. I purposely didn't edit them out because I like to have fun with y'all and show you guys my real self, and that I like to have fun and I joke around and I laugh at my own self. So I don't cut my track, I do the flip over method. For the flip over method, I stick my needle through the two wefts, tracks, can I say tracks, you guys, and through the mesh cap, and I pull. I'm going to use my teeth, y'all. Please spare me. I don't know. I have a problem. And it's the same thing when you flip it over. So since I get unlucky every time I record my hair videos, I have a few clips of my sister in the wig so you guys can see how I do. Enjoy these last few clips of Miss Extra. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. And follow all my social media platforms.